subscribe.
What is up, folks? We are in New York City for the Zooz exclusive invite-only ride. Richie's already breaking the rules, bringing a Talaria, but that's okay because it's Richie. And Tahoe, as always, let me borrow one of his Zooz because sadly I don't own one yet. So I'm going to be riding the Flex. He's going to be riding his new Ducati Red, one-off edition. Already has the powerful lithium treatment. 3,000 watt QS motor. I believe it's the same motor on this bike. Looks a little different, but I think it's the same. Huge battery. Range no issue here. Range no issue here. This one's bringing his battery. And this one, well, I'll be nice. For once, we're not waiting on me.
You know something, Mike? I was just thinking that.
All right, guys, we're getting ready to jump on the bikes and meet up with the group. And we're off. Oh, we're breaking the rules already. Gosh, I love cobblestone. First two people that noticed you already, Rusty. Here's a 3 and 4. Nope, they didn't see you. Pretty nice day considering it's been like mid-90s for the past week, but today it's like mid-80s, which feels like AC in comparison almost. Yeah, that heat wave was brutal. Well, I think we're still in the heat wave, but just getting a little break right now. But yeah, man, we're back in NYC on the Zooz again. I don't think this is the one I rode in North Carolina when we went to the Tapia ride. I believe it was his other Zooz that stayed at home, but that's the newest one. Oof, that red is so sharp. Yeah, Motow it is. Check. Oh, this thing is peppy. I'm glad I was leaning forward. So my daily driver for quite a while now has been my XXX. And I love how it sounds personally. Some people think they're way too loud, and they are kind of loud for an e-bike, but I love how they sound. It just sounds like you're ripping all the time, which I usually am. But it's also like an audible warning to pedestrians and other people. Whereas these bikes with the QS motors, they're so silent. Ducati Red. Yeah, I was just saying Ducati.
Ducati motorcycle.
Oh damn, we're here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. What's up, Johnny?
Good to see you.
Pleasure to meet you, man. There's the kid. Hey Johnny, where's the steak, man? Where's the steak?
I should have brought some.
How's it going, man? What's up, man? Pleasure.
Long time y'all show up.
What's up, dude?
How you been?
I saw your bike and I was like, that's gotta be Yatu's. All right, folks, we're here with Mike at Dainese Motorcycle Shop. Mike, thanks for having us. Just one question. What do you love the most about your Zooz?
The ability to shrink this city down to the size of my playground. I grew up riding pedal bike, but there's nothing riding like an e-bike now.
Yeah, and the Zooz really blurs the line between both.
Oh yeah. It's
Which one's yours? The one on the end?
Yeah, that one right there.
What was the first mod you did?
No, it's bone stock.
Bone stock? I love it.
The only thing upgraded on it was the pedals and the grips.
Okay.
This is my second Zooz.
Ah, okay.
This is the new 2024 Ultra Urban.
Whew, sexy.
37 miles per hour out the box.
Wow. Okay, we're here with Johnny Prime now. Awesome to finally meet you, man. My main question is, what's your favorite thing about your Zooz?
Oh man, it's like freedom. I don't know how else to describe it, but
I know.
It unlocks the city, gets you anywhere you need to go. It
I spent a lot of
makes
time
the
in
city so much
Baltimore
more
growing up.
manageable, size-wise. Also, it's fun. So not even just like utility purposes of getting from one place to the other, but it puts a smile on your face every time you get on it. It's joy, it's nostalgia of being a kid again on a BMX bike. It's just instant fun.
I can always tell you're smiling even though your camera's facing out. I can still tell. So I take it you're on this one with the flag today?
The flag. This is the Ultraflex UF 1200. They released it last year around this time. It's got triple tree forks in front and full suspension in the back. Swing arms down in the center under the bottom bracket.
Beautiful. I love the
It's got
color
a little bit
scheme.
bigger battery, a little bit more distance.
I think it's Rusty's favorite. Like this one? Looking forward to going around the hood with Johnny Prime.
Yeah, man.
All right, folks, we're here with Jason.
What's up, man?
Just got here on the Zeus.
Sir.
One question. I've asked everybody this so far. What's your favorite thing about your Zeus?
It makes me feel like a kid again.
I love that.
You know, it gives me the outlet as a full-grown adult to just explore and be on these adventures daily.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't trade it for anything.
And you can pedal them like BMX bikes growing up.
Yes.
Like swing
Yeah.
it side to side,
It has that
standing up.
nostalgic feel, but at the same time, the motor and the battery just gives it that little bit of oomph.
Yeah.
So that way you get a little bit of that thrill.
Best of both worlds.
Yeah.
All right, you guys know I wasn't going to do these interviews without talking to Mr. Zeus himself, Tejo. I've asked everybody that has a Zeus this question today. What's your favorite thing about your... Well, you have 3 Zeus, but what's your favorite thing about Zeus?
Well, you know what? The good thing about Zoos is you can take it everywhere. You know, I specifically picked this one up because I think that it really looks like a bicycle.
It does.
And that's what I like. Because I can take it everywhere, bike trails, without anybody saying anything. So, and then I was fortunate enough to get this bike from Chris.
Yep. And this is a one-off with the Ducati color?
Yeah. And a nice set of Italian wheels that he put on this bike. And also he gave me a QS motor, 3,000 watt motor. I immediately went to Powerful Lithium to make me a special custom-made battery.
So what's your top speed on this one so far?
So far I was able to hit this one 52 miles an hour, but I got scared.
And what's the expected range?
That probably I'm gonna find out today.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right.
And thanks for letting me borrow your Flex.
No problem.
We are here with Diego. Just met Diego today. Looking forward to the ride.
Yep.
I've asked all the Zeus owners one question.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about your Zeus?
I mean, for me, it's to hang out with people that like to just chill, you know, hang out community and just be friends. And you don't take it, you know, it's just a cruiser. We go bar hopping, hang out. The Zeus is friendly to anything.
Yeah.
Ferries, trains, there's no issues with the Zeus. And if you want to go faster than that, you know, step it up to, you know, a bike, a motorcycle, something like that.
I have noticed that the Zeus community is very tight-knit in
Yeah,
comparison to
yeah.
other brands.
I think it's definitely because we all it's the same interest, you know. We like to, like I said, we like to hang. We're not about, you know, pushing the limits. You know, we're about hanging out in community and stuff. I think that's the big thing, you know, just to hang out, shop, talk, all that stuff, and you know, help each other out, and that's what it's about, you know.
Love it. Which one's yours?
Mine's right here. This is a Gen 2 with Ultraflex drivetrain. So I got the UF motor, battery, front wheel, and rear wheel, all from the Ultraflex.
All right, guys, we're here with Ivan
What's going on, man?
from Ivan Rides. Make sure to follow him and check him out, subscribe, all that good stuff. One question, man.
Yeah?
I've asked every Zeus rider this question
Sounds good.
so far. What's your favorite thing about your Zeus?
The Zooz, my favorite thing is that nostalgic design. It just really reminds me of those old school BMXs that I used to have as a kid. And this chrome bike just really reminds me of that. So it's a nostalgic feel.
I love
but
that.
Of course, everything else is it's about the ride. It's
Yeah.
about the fun.
That's definitely been the...
Yes. One and only limited edition sticker.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
it. Make sure you get yours.
I think Johnny just slipped one in my pocket. All right, guys, we're here with Kelvin and his espresso.
Yeah.
I just had one myself, and I am buzzing. So I've asked all the Zeus owners one question.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about your Zeus?
The simplicity about it, honestly. Like, everything is a basic bike, essentially, just with the motor and a battery. And everything is so simple that you just fix it like a normal bike. There's no, like...
Yours is back here, right?
Yeah. There's no, like, doodads that you have to, like, put on, like, with, like, people with, like, big batteries and stuff, you know? It takes up so much room. Like this, you can just pedal. It looks incognito.
It does.
I mean, I don't ever have to deal with cops, so that's a great thing, you know?
Yeah, I never see any Zooz content where the authorities say anything.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
Yeah.
Pleasure talking to you about your Zooz, and I'm looking forward to the ride.
You have a Zooz as well?
I'm borrowing Tejo's.
Oh, nice.
He let me borrow his Flex. I'm hoping to get one
go,
soon.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're RUSTYROADS.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, guys, we're here with Patrick. I've asked all the Zooz owners a question. What's your favorite thing about your Zooz?
After I've gone to the range battery and I got rid of my truck last year, I've been running and gunning, so I love the range battery.
It looks like you get around pretty easily, huh?
I've been pushing that since December. Powerful Lithium hooked it up.
Of course. What kind of range are you seeing with their battery?
With the 45 amp, I get easily like 75 to 80.
Wow, you're just going for it.
A little bit, but yeah, going for it, I can definitely push 70.
All right, folks, we are here with Mr. New York Zooz himself. Whenever I think of Zooz in New York, I think of you, man.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
So I've asked all the Zooz owners a question.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about your Zooz?
Favorite thing about my Zooz is that it's really a workhorse for me. It gets me around the city real quick. It's small, compact. It's still an e-bike. So I would like to say that it's an e-bike. That's an actual bike. So I can ride it with no problem anywhere. It's fast enough to keep up with traffic. It's small enough to store it in my apartment, take it on an elevator. So it's really a ideal bike for the city.
Literally a vehicle replacement.
Oh yeah, that's exactly why I got it, and that's what I did. So my car is literally just sitting, doing nothing on the street.
I love it.
Because it's in the city, you have to deal with alternate side parking. No one has garage storage, so it's the best way to get around.
And you get places quicker.
Oh, definitely. Yeah. The average of 4 miles on a weekday would take me like 40 minutes in the car. And this, I could do like 15 minutes.
Wow.
You know?
It's a lot more time back at the end of the day.
Yeah, and it's a lot more enjoyable too.
Yeah.
Because that's the other problem. The other issue is the stress that you get in the car, especially me. I would get so...
I hate rush hour. I hate it.
I was telling this to someone else the other day. I get, I can't sit in the car 30 minutes. I can sit on the bus all day.
That's a good point.
I can't sit in traffic 30 minutes. This is the best way. And I only wish that it was, the infrastructure would be a lot safer and a lot better, and so everybody can benefit from it. You know?
Yeah.
Everyone, grandmas, kids, because it's the best way to get around. And then with the upgrade I have with the battery, the lithium battery, I get like 80 to 100 miles.
Wow.
Yeah. So.
And that's not babying the throttle at all, is it?
No.
Yeah, they know what they're doing, man.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate the invite. I know this is an exclusive ride, and I'm looking forward to getting out in the street, man.
Yeah, definitely. I'm glad. And you got a window frame so you can become a Zoozer.
Oh, hell yeah.